The lawsuit accuses the corporation of discriminating against its employees on the basis of their gender, retaliation, incompetence to prevent discrimination and harassment, and unequal remuneration, according to the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing, DFEH. Activision Blizzard fosters a culture of university fraternity, in which employees are subjected to ongoing sexual harassment, wage discrepancies, and threats of retaliation if they speak out. The findings of a 2-year inquiry by the DFEH are presented here. Women, who make up around 20% of a company's payroll, are subjected to a variety of activities, including the cube crawl, in which males drink massive amounts of alcohol while crawling towards the company's workstations, and engaging in inappropriate behavior toward employees. During work hours, guys play video games and assign their obligations to their female co-workers. All the while, they're making dirty jokes about rape or openly discussing it. When mothers have to leave the office to pick up their children, they are mocked. They are also routinely ejected from breastfeeding rooms set aside for them so that colleagues can hold meetings.